I'm unsure how someone like myself, who is terrified of birds, ended up with 3 kids who absolutely love them. But there you go. We got sent this really cute bird feeder. I originally tried to hang it in the trees out the front, but the birds just did not dig it there. So I came and moved it into the lemon tree, and as you can see, they are absolutely loving it there. The kids love spying on the birds out the window. As you can see, the kitchen right there. I think it's just sparrows in this video, but we have tons of fantails, and I've even seen a couple of wax eyes in the tree too, having little feeds. So if you want to attract birds to your garden, this is it.